Hello, thanks for joining me for another beer review. Right, today we're going to Somerset and the Cotleigh Brewery, and it's their Barn Ale. Premium ale, as you can see, Somerset craft brewed. This is a English style bitter. It's coming in at 4.5% ABV. I purchased this in Aldi, UK, in Ramsgate. But yeah, check out that bit of artwork there. This is another old hobby of mine. Not so much these days, but with current little girl and all that kind of thing. But yeah, something I've been interested in for probably 25 years, so a big part of my life. So yeah, this brewery was established in 1979. It's got a best before the end of February of 2019, so we're right there. It's got a nice kind of blue bottle cap. Let's crack it open then and see what we get. Hopefully it won't go everywhere. Nope. A little bit of smoke, not too much. So another bitter. Get that water out. Just reusing a glass I had earlier. So yeah, I'm really getting more into back to my roots really. I still like my craft beer of course, but I want to try a lot more of these kind of traditional cask type beers, and I do really enjoy them. So what we've got, a really kind of deep mahogany coloured beer, almost like a strong ale or a winter ale kind of colour. It poured not even a half finger ahead and it dissipated very quickly. So yeah, I mean, it's 4.5. It's looking a little bit, it's moving around quite quickly as you sort of shake the beer, so it's giving you that kind of impression that it's a little bit thin. But we'll reserve judgment until we've got the aroma and the flavour of course, so yeah, we'll do that now. Definitely getting a nice kind of almost black currant, red currant, apple core kind of aroma. Slightly sweet. Slightly malty. And there is like a slight biscuity malt going on there. But yeah, it's more kind of sweet than anything else. Typical English style bitter really. So let's give it a try. Cheers. Very sweet, malty, biscuity front end, and it goes into there is that sweetness, but then it goes more into that kind of, it's a real kind of fruity, dark fruit kind of beer. Mouthfeels, yeah, it's a little bit thin, but come on, it's 4.5. It's not an ESB or anything like that, so the mouthfeel is about on point, to be honest. I think this beer was like all of the Aldi beers I purchased recently, £1.29 a bottle, so for a 500ml bottle as well, so you can't go wrong really. Yeah, these guys are out of Somerset. There's a little bit of information on the back, I'll go into that in a minute. But yeah, let's get back to the flavour. It's very subtle. It's a little bit thin for my palate. it's okay. I've had much better bitters than this, English style bitters. But yeah, I mean, I do like the way they've kind of, they do stand out, these bottles. I think they've got quite a few other beers. I've been seeing them for years online, never actually seen any to actually purchase. I didn't really want to order any online, but I think they do. I think they've got possibly buzzard. There's quite a few bird species incorporated into their range of beers. So, but yeah, this one I think they might even have tawny owl. Anyway, I'll put the links down below for the brewery so you can check it out for yourself. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little bit thin for my liking for an English style bitter. Bittersweet. I don't know the IBUs to this beer. It's definitely got that kind of almost cider-esque sweetness going on. Apple pip. It is what it is. It's a very kind of, there's not much to say about it other than what I've already said. It's okay for the price. It's, you know, it's not too bad at all. Would I buy it again? It's one of them beers you look to see what's on. If there's something better, then you're gonna buy it. If it's just lagers and stuff, and you see this, then you're gonna buy this. It's kind of one of them in between beers. You check out your surroundings, your bar or whatever. You know how it is. You know what you like. So, so as for a rating for me, then I'm going to give this I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. I think that's a fair one. This is the first beer I've had from this brewery. Let me just pour this rest of this in. I should have read all this before I give the rating, so if you've got the rating now, you know, you may go, but if you want to stay on for this, then great. Cotleigh Brewery is committed to producing outstanding beers, continuing a 200-year-old brewing tradition in, I can't even pronounce that word, Wiveliscombe. Cotleigh has become one of the most successful award-winning independent brewers in England, producing around 2 million pints of beer each year. Barn Ale is a copper-bronzed ale and has a superb malty taste with hints of toffee, nut and vanilla, with a gentle sweet finish. So you can tell I've not read this before. It has got a lovely sweet malt base to it. Am I picking up vanilla and a nut, whatever that means? Not so much nut, not so much vanilla, but there is a slight kind of woody, could it be nutty, I don't know, ness to it, but I'm picking up more of a fruity kind of floral, kind of slightly earthy notes to it. But yeah, it's okay, but it's more malty than anything else. Anything else we need to discuss? CotleighBrewery.com is a website. I've put that all down below. Cotleigh Brewery supports the Hawk and Owl Trust, which is a registered UK charity, which is fantastic, dedicated to conserving birds of prey in their natural habitat. Yes, yeah, it's birds of prey, hawks, Hawk and Owl Trust, basically. So yeah, and then they've got a website, the hawkandowl.org is the website for that. So I'll put all these links down below. And yeah, so that is Cotleigh's Barn Ale Premium Ale at 4.5% ABV. If you've had it before, please let me know. Put your comments down below. I not sure if any of my good friends on YouTube have reviewed this beer. If they have, I'll include their links down below, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.